What's going on, everyone? Today's the 17th of February 2023. Man, let's talk about Rivian real quick because it's right now the time to come in and buy the stock before the earnings come up, because earnings is coming up in the next 11 days, the 20th of February 2023. Now, the market in Rivian has gone up higher since the low of like mid-January 2023. Could we still see the run up occurring to the market leading up to earnings and then the price crash? What do you think? Let's talk about it. Now, welcome to the channel, everyone, because as you guys can see in front of you on the charts, I do price predictions. I simply tell individuals who come and view my content, I show them where I suspect price is going to go in a way that's not confusing. If you guys want to participate and join, then I definitely recommend that you guys follow me, that you guys subscribe to the community, because you will learn so much by so little. It doesn't require a whole lot of technical indicators on your chart to figure out how the market is trending or where price is trying to go. Take a look. I did a video. My last video in Rivian was on the 13th of July, right? That was the last time I did a video in Rivian. And you guys can tell that at that moment, I was looking for the price Rivian to go up. And you guys can see what occurred in the price. It did go higher. Now, it exceeded my target. It ran all the way up there towards $40, but my ultimate TP price was around $36 or $35.74. But either way, we profited from the move, right? So pretty good call. So again, if anyone is questioning how, or it's impossible to see where price is going to go, they need to come to this particular channel and see what I've been doing with my videos and my content, because you can definitely predict prices and where it's going to go. So real quick, we're going to do this in the market in Rivian. We're going to draw a trend and show you all how price has been moving in Rivian. Okay, so this is the idea. Real quick, plain and simple, the overall sentiment into the market in Rivian is what? Exactly, higher prices. So right now, price currently in Rivian is trending higher. Now, we got where buyers are at. We know where the buyers are currently buying Rivian. Do you see where the sellers are at? Just looking at the chart, when you see price changes from price going up to then it goes down, that's an indication to tell you that there's sellers. If you see a market stop going lower and it begins to go higher, then that tells you where buyers are at. That's it. It's just that simple. So I'm going to show you where currently the sellers are at into the market in Rivian. They're currently here, around $21.50. They might even be around 22. This is the ballpark range, right? This is just an area to where we know sellers currently are positioned. They're like right around here. Okay, that's pretty much where they're at. So we understand that if price in Rivian cannot trade above that rectangle, price is generally going to go lower. Just that simple. Just that simple. So seeing how price is currently getting rejected at that area, how do you think we need to be thinking right now? Should we be bullish right now, or should we kind of anticipate some lower prices right now? To me, right now, this second, we need to expect price to go lower. Now, I'm not saying that price is going to run down to $15. No, we need to see buyers approach and come back into the market in Rivian around 20. That is where we need to see the buyers. Okay, let's look at this on the weekly chart. So from a weekly perspective, though, I really wanted to show you, when you see the market on different time frames, it gives you a different viewpoint. Because on a weekly chart, the market currently is bullish. It's currently showing us that buyers are currently dominating and have the edge amongst the sellers, even here on the 2 weeks chart. Okay, we're currently seeing that. But until we see the market in Rivian break $22, we always need to keep in the back of our mind that price can still go lower. Now, we give the market credit, we give the buyers credit that they've been trying to break $22 to the upside. It just hasn't occurred yet. Okay, just hasn't occurred. Here it is on the 5-day. 3-day chart. So yeah, there's definitely sellers here into the market in Rivian. So this market may not break out of this $22 range as resistance until earnings, because now it's the third time that price has gotten rejected at $22 or $21.50. This is the third time. And eventually people who are buying Rivian up here around $21.50 to 22, they don't have an infinite amount of money just to continue to come in and buy the stock. Once they run out of money, price has no other option but to go lower to find more buyers. That is the current idea as to what's going on right now. Okay, so we need confirmation. It's pretty much what I'm telling you all. We need to get confirmation that buyers are still here. And $20, no lower than 19, is going to give us that confirmation that buyers are still interested, and that the idea is that they're going to lift price and break it above $21.50 to 22. If they don't do that, then guess what? Rivian's going to go lower. Period. Yeah, I don't know how to shake it and break it down to you all, but that is the current idea. Okay, so real quick, this is going to be a minimal price prediction. I'm not going to give you all one of those weekly long-term ideas. I want us to see buyers first. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to play some weakness into the market right now in Rivian, only to see how low price is going to go before buyers come in. Okay, so that first target that I'm looking at is around 20. Okay, so I want to see buyers come in at 20. If they do, then that tells me that the market definitely is still trending more bullish, and that price is definitely geared to break 21.50 to the upside. That's if we see buyers hold price at 20. Now let's say that they don't. Well, the next level is around 19.50. Okay, so if price goes down to 20, that's around 3.38% move lower. Right there at 20, 19.99. My second target, like I said, is around 19.50. That is 5.75% move lower. 19.50. That takes us to the trend line, right? No lower than 19 is my third target, which is around 8.17%. $19 is my third target. Okay, so I'm not looking for the market in Rivian to go up right now, not yet. I want to see buyers to convince me that that's where they wanting to lead the market. So right now, I'm not too convinced, since price has gotten rejected at $21.50, 22, that the buyers are interested in looking for the market to continue to go higher. So let's just see how low price is going to go in Rivian right now. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Simple, easy, not complicated. We have drawn the lines as to where we're looking for price to move, price to go. And we'll see which one comes out on top. Is it going to be the buyers or the sellers? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.